The hunter who they say has become the hunted. You agree, or may we beg to differ? Son of the big guy, child's play crime. Conviction covers, now time for real crime sniffers. Romania, Russia, China and Ukraine. Family and friend, 20 million in influence peddling. The laptop open for all to see, except the three-letter agencies. Unofficial call, do no meddling. The Songbird media goes crazy over nothing, while they cover over the crime of the century. Big guy gets 10% found in emails about Mexico cartel, Guantanamo or penitentiary. Scream about the two little things, while big things touching the big guy goes unnoticed by all. Big question no one wants to ask: who is the puppet master behind Big G? Come on now, y'all. We are back in crazy times. Nuclear submarines not yellow. Off Cuba, no need for alarm. While the commander-in-chief freezes to the beat, Red October can do us no harm. After playing Marco Polo, people now know if the swamp is drained, no one's left in charge. The people try to scrounge enough to buy gas and food, while all the big guys are living large. Us who know to that red, white and blue, to patriots who paid their dues. God bless you and God save this land. Roll down, your justice is at hand. To that red, white and blue, to patriots who paid their dues, God bless you and God save this land. Roll down, your justice is at hand. But to that red, white and blue, to patriots who paid their dues, God bless you and God save this land. Roll down, your justice is at hand.